Experienced New York City domestic violence divorce attorney. Domestic violence is a devastating reality for many families. In New York City, countless spouses live under the weight of threats, intimidation, and abuse. Escaping such a situation is never easy, but understanding your rights and options can be the first step toward safety and freedom. New York law provides strong protections for victims of abuse, and there are legal remedies available that can help you begin a new chapter. Whether you are the one experiencing violence or facing false accusations, knowing what the courts will consider and how to navigate the divorce process is critical. The Law Office of Ryan Besinque offers the guidance needed to move forward securely. Domestic violence takes many forms. It can include physical assaults, sexual abuse, or intimidation through threats of harm. Economic abuse may trap a partner financially, while emotional abuse leaves deep scars through humiliation, isolation, and blame. Recognizing these behaviors as forms of violence is essential because they all impact whether it is safe to remain in a marriage. New York courts treat domestic violence with the seriousness it deserves. Both criminal and civil courts may intervene to ensure safety. The first priority is always to get to a secure place, whether through a shelter or support hotline. Once immediate danger is addressed, the next step is seeking legal protection. An order of protection, sometimes called a restraining order, can prevent an abuser from approaching you, your children, or your home. Violating such an order carries severe consequences. Temporary orders last until the next court date, while final orders may extend up to 5 years depending on the circumstances. When divorce is pursued, the legal system recognizes domestic violence as grounds under the category of cruel and inhuman treatment. Conduct that endangers physical or mental well-being makes it unsafe to remain together. The court requires proof that abuse was ongoing rather than isolated. Evidence is essential to support claims of cruelty, whether that abuse was physical, verbal, or emotional. In custody disputes, the law focuses on the best interests of the children. Judges weigh both direct and indirect harm caused by violence. Even when abuse was not directed at the children, witnessing it can cause trauma and emotional harm. Because of this, courts may limit visitation to supervised settings or deny it altogether if the abusive parent poses a risk. Full custody often goes to the non-abusive parent to ensure stability and safety. Unfortunately, accusations can sometimes be misused in contentious divorces. False claims of abuse, though unlawful, are occasionally made to gain custody, restrict visitation, or influence property and support decisions. Being wrongly accused can jeopardize child custody, spousal support, and asset division. In these situations, strong legal representation is critical to protect your rights and ensure the truth comes forward. For anyone living through an abusive marriage, the process of leaving is fraught with emotional and legal challenges. A lawyer provides more than legal strategy, they serve as an ally and buffer between you and your spouse, ensuring your safety while preserving evidence and handling communication. The Law Office of Ryan Besinque offers confidential and compassionate support tailored to the complexities of domestic violence divorce cases. If you are in immediate danger, your safety comes first. New York City provides resources through shelters and the Domestic Violence Hotline at 311 or 800-621-HOPE. Once you are safe, consulting an attorney can help you pursue orders of protection, custody arrangements, and divorce proceedings with the full protection of the law behind you. The Law Office of Ryan Besinque is committed to protecting the rights of victims of domestic violence while also ensuring fairness in cases of false accusations. Licensed in New York and California, Ryan Besinque has represented clients across Manhattan, Brooklyn, Queens, the Bronx, Westchester, and Nassau County. His approach balances compassionate guidance with aggressive advocacy when circumstances require it. When you are ready to take the next step, you do not have to face it alone. Professional legal guidance can provide both safety and clarity during one of the most difficult times in your life. The Law Office of Ryan Besinque is located at 115 W 25th Street, 4th floor, New York, New York 10001. Call 929-251-4477 to schedule a confidential consultation today.